Which of the following methods is the most effective for safeguarding a beam against lateral torsional buckling? So in part A, we can provide intermediate restraints to prevent the beam from deflecting laterally and twisting. So for example, we can connect these I-beams to it, where the length of these I-beams go out of the screen. So that prevents the beam from deflecting laterally and also twisting. So this seems like a good option. Now option B says we can orient the beam to bend about the minor axes. So in this case, instead of orienting the beam like this, so it's loaded from the top, we'd orient it like this, so it's loaded in this manner. So in this case, the beam bends about the major axes, and in this case over here, the beam bends about the minor axes. So because the beam bends easily about the minor axes, then this beam won't undergo lateral torsional buckling, as it has a higher bending stiffness in the lateral direction. But you'll get excessive deflection compared to this case, because the bending stiffness about the major axes is significantly larger than the bending stiffness about the minor axes. So here we have bending about the major axes, and here about the minor axes. So this option is not the best. And increasing the depth or width of the section is not economical, so option A is the best option.